So for question 3, we have some rabbits. So I always need to look at a graph. So we have rabbits versus, let's see, let's say T is the number of months. And let's say past January 1st. So 1 month is actually February 1st, right? The second month is actually March 1st, and so forth. And we know that we're going to oscillate in 25 above and below an average of 129 rabbits. Okay, 129 rabbits. And we're going to go 25 above, which gives us 154, I think, and 25 below, which is 104. And on January 1st, we're at the low point. We know the period is going to be 12, because this is a yearly growth, so each step is going to be 3. So on April 1st, we have our 129 rabbits. So 3, and so 6 is when we actually have July 1st. We're going to be up at 154. So we're going to have something that looks like this. Now, what we know is that the period is 12, so B is going to be, well, let's use degrees, 360 divided by 12, which is going to give us 30. And I'm going to use negative cosine because this is starting down at the bottom. So the equation is going to be the amplitude we already know is 25. So y is negative 25 times the cosine of 30t. And this is elevated 129. Okay, and if the rabbit population occurred in April instead, we'd have something that looks like this, right? We would have something so that the low point is at April, but then 3 months prior to that, since our step is 3, our graph would have been on the sinusoidal axis, as well as 3 after. So we'd have something that looks like this. So this would still be, I would still use negative cosine, negative 21, 25 cosine 30, but then I would have shifted this 3 units to the right, so it would have t minus 3 plus 129. Or you could certainly use sine, and that would be sine but heading in the southerly direction, so negative 25 sine of 30t, and then we wouldn't need a shift. Plus 129 would work as well.